We have a significant seat back. This prototype, made with our initial polymer formulation, failed during impact testing. It shattered under a force and well below our target standard. This is concerning. We were hoping this material will outperform existing helmet materials.
This failure highlights the critical need for rigorous testing. We cannot approve a product that doesn't meet the safety standard.
Let's analyze the failure. What exactly did the fracture initiate? What were the testing parameters?
We are refining our testing protocol. We'll vary the impact velocity and angle to understand and materials failure modes.
We've modified the polymer combination process, adjusting the cross-linking density. We're hoping this will improve the impact of resistance.
The new formulation shows a significant improvement in energy absorption. But we still need to reach the target threshold.
Let's run a series of tests with a more focused impact area. We need to identify the weakest points. The focus impact test shows that the formulation is significantly more resistant to local impacts. The fracture patterns are also different, indicating improved energy disposition.
The data analysis confirms a substantial increase in impact resistance, which surpassed the required safety requirements.
This excellent news, the adjustments to the synthesis process have clearly improved the polymer's performance. With this result, we can confidently move forward with helmet design and production.
After reviewing the test data and witnessing the demonstrations, I can approve this new polymer for helmet applications. The material meets and exceeds the required safety standard. Sir?
This is significant achievement. The iterative process of testing and refinement has yielded a superior material.
This new polymer has the potential to revolutionize protective equipment. It will provide enhanced safety for athletes, construction workers, and anyone needing protection. We can now design helmets that are lighter, stronger, and more comfortable.
Congratulations! It ensures that the products are safe and reliable. Congratulations! Well done, sisters and brothers.